Hello, Tower. I'm back. Where have you been, Tilly? I went to go deliver the birthday train. You did what? I told you 100 times you were too little. You have disobeyed me. I had to deliver the birthday train because... Nah, I don't want to hear any excuses. You are in serious trouble, young lady. You're gonna spend the rest of your life in the roundhouse. Arguing with me is only going to get you in more trouble. Georgia broke down in Farge. Not listening to your little brat. La 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 la. How dare you treat Tilly like dirt? Who are you? I'm Sir Topham Hatt. Tilly had the right to deliver the birthday train. You still lie to her. She disobeyed me, you fat slob! You're a lump of lumber. Also, I've come to buy Tilly. She's coming to Sodor with me. Take her. I never wanted the little brat anyway. We won't miss you, little brat! Now get this fat slob off my railway!